Hello everyone! So for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin yung referral program here in 51 Talk. So if you are already a launch teacher here in 51 Talk, whether you are new or a tenured teacher, you have the power to refer your friends and relatives. If you want them to join 51 Talk because they are potentially good in teaching students and adults, and they have good command in speaking English with neutral accent, and they have complete requirements, they're willing to grow as a teacher, then they are qualified to apply here in 51 Talk. You have to guide them. You have to use your referral link so that you will also be earning incentives. It's not for the sake of incentives only, teachers, right? We have to support them. Part na yung incentives, pero of course, our aim is to help those teachers or people who wants to be home-based teachers, diba? So sa hirap ng panahon ngayon, ang dami-dami talagang naghahanap ng trabaho na pwedeng magagawa na sa bahay na lang, hindi na mag-extend ng kanilang expenses for traveling, yes, for transportation and expenses outside, then why not? This opportunity is really of great help for those who are interested. So, for all teachers who do have their friends who are really interested to be one of the teachers here in 51 Talk, then what are you waiting for? You can refer them and start their teaching journey here in our company. Now, where can you find the referral link? Kasi yung na-refer ko nga na teacher, nagtanong siya, Teach, pwede na ba akong makapag-refer? Of course you can. You can just see that one above your teacher's portal. Yung nakikita niyong yellow dyan, may nakalagay dyan, earn more by referring teachers. So, you have there your URL. So, you're just going to copy that one and send to the chat room, to your convo, whether in TikTok, in Messenger, or i-post nyo yan sa mga social media sites para naman na ma-advertise nyo yung inyong referral link at dun sila makapasok sa inyo under your name. That's one of our incentive na mai-enjoy here in our company, na if we happen to let a teacher be launched, nakatapos talaga siya sa kanyang processing, then you will have your incentive. But then, that does not mean na it will just end up there. Kasi yung mga referral ko, I guided them from the beginning up to their first primary days and months. Kasi of course, they need to have someone to talk to and ask about things that they don't know or they are still very new in the platform. Now, if the referral of yours gets a demo rate of A or B+, then you will have 500 pesos incentives. If your referral happens to complete the first ever class, yung first ended class niya is successful, okay? So, hindi siya nagka-late, hindi siya nagka-early leave, hindi siya naging absent, nakagawa siya ng memo, then you will have 500 pesos as well. Then, if your referral completes 50 ended lessons, you will have 1,000 pesos. A total of 2,000 pesos yung ma-receive mo na incentive dahil nagtiyaga ka, nag-support ka ng isang teacher to join our platform. Naging asset siya ng company. Okay. So, isn't that great, di ba? Na nakatulong ka pa sa iba, tapos natulungan ka rin niya. So, it's a win-win solution. Natulungan mo siya, natulungan ka niya. Much more talaga yung pagtulong mo sa kanya. Kasi, of course, if talagang magiging performing teacher siya in the platform, possibly, natulungan mo siya to earn a living. Di po ba? Ang saya-saya nun. That's one of my happiness as part of the referral program po, teachers, kasi whenever I read messages over my YouTube, doon kasi talaga sa YouTube sila nagme-message or kaya dito sa Facebook or kaya sa TikTok, nagpapasalamat talaga sila dahil nakatulong daw po yung mga videos ko sa kanila. Thank you so much for acknowledging me as part of your success here in the company. But of course, it all started with you because of course, nagtiyaga ka at talagang ginalingan mo na makapasok ka dito sa company. Congratulations to all newly launched teachers. So hopefully that this video helps you, teachers, that if you have mga invites, potential friends, relatives, and acquaintances na talagang you think that they are best for this job, then why not invite them so that they can start their teaching journey. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope na kung gusto nyo rin na magpa-refer sa akin, just message me here in TikTok, Messenger, Facebook, YouTube, and you can comment down below in the comment section how po teacher para na ma-message back ko kayo at mag-guide ko rin kayo. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!